Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set big clock on lock screen on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. From here, just tap on the lock screen. Now just tap on the clock of your lock screen. Now just drag the clock from the corners to increase or decrease the size of your clock. Now just tap on style. From here, just select the style of the clock which you like. I will select this one. Now once you're satisfied with your clock, just tap on done. And this is how you can set big clock on lock screen on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.